taking home to our warehouse a ZR1 C8. It's crazy. Let's introduce you to the owner. It's so shiny, it's insane.
Not bad, right? And do you know how the controls work?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the lift and everything?
Yeah, on the top. Guys, this thing is so sick. I can't wait to talk about it. There's so many new things that Auto Addict's manufacturing for the C8 ZR1 platform and below, but we're gonna start for the top trim and work our way down. I'm about to sign my life away right now. It's a huge liability and responsibility, but we're excited. So what these papers is pretty much to protect us and the owner of the vehicle to make sure we're handling the business the right way. We're being responsible, no damages prior to pickup, and delivering the same way we picked it up. It almost feels like I'm buying the car. No, but honestly, I really appreciate him giving us this opportunity. There's some cool parts that we recently manufactured and finished molding for the ZR1 platform. Therefore, we're gonna go ahead and test fit them, and if they work, we're gonna open up for the market. And he'll be the first one to rock it with Auto Addict.
And I'll send it over to you.
Yes.
And I'll go from there, the attorney and me. So,
right.
you know, that kind of stuff. And then have fun, allegedly. Right?
There you go.
You like it? Yeah.
We're in for some awesome new Auto Addict USA ZR1 carbon fiber mods. We're getting rid of all this ugly couple pieces that was kind of like loose versus a carbon fiber piece right here. Let's go all over the details so you can see what you can add on your ZR1X with Auto Addict. All right, first and foremost, let's go ahead and go over what we're actually adding and what are the differences. Why should you go the dry carbon route versus these plastic pieces? To be straight transparent, guys, when I was taking off the OEM tub, which is all it is 3 T30 screws, and it literally just pulls out. As long as you remove all your front plastic trims that we're also making in carbon that's not ready at the moment. When I happened to remove the driver's side, everything was nice and smooth, and by the way, it clips in with the OEM harness clips, so there's no hardware required. When we ship this out to you guys, all you got to do is just get a clip removal, remove the factory clip where the harness is sitting right here, and then it slides right in there just like OEM without worrying about anything. Now, when I came to this other side, that was kind of really interesting. I saw this thing was kind of loose and broken apart, and I'm like, I don't understand why GM did it in a couple pieces. Could be a mold investment. They didn't want to pay a big mold fee. They just did it in 2 pieces and combined it together. Not a huge fan, to be honest with you guys, compared to the carbon fiber dry double-sided. You know, a lot more stronger, handles a lot of heat, air, you name it. And it's not gonna be like this, of course, because it's all one piece. Huge turning point from here to here, and let me show you kind of how it slides in. Super easy. Alrighty, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this side vent. It's a 3-piece kit. It's the entire tub and then the vents that goes underneath. Whether you want to add the carbon hood or you don't, that's fine. When we manufactured the full functional factory ZR1 hood, you're able to piece it. Some ZR1 owners don't want to add the hood because they already have it. Some people don't have the ZTK gurney flap. They want to add it. With us, they can buy that. Some people just want the whole thing carbon fiber. You can get the whole kit too as well. And this product also works for Z06 and Stingrays with a different tub that we manufactured. This is specifically manufactured and skewed for the C8 ZR1 platform / ZR1X. So let's go over to the install. Super easy. Just kind of wiggle the harness a little bit so it can give you some space. There's 2 clips on the chassis right here, and that's where I can grab them to put these bad boys here. This screw that we integrated on the B side is pretty much a holder that stands where the cutout opening on the other side of the chassis, passenger side. So we just kind of slide it in, and then after we slide it, everything aligns properly. Just make sure that screw is on there, holding on the chassis, and then booyah, just like that. And we'll give you guys a presentation before we put the carbon tub. This is the factory tub, and we did manufacture it in dry carbon. It literally just sits. And guess what, guys? The cool thing about it, you're gonna be seeing carbon fiber vents coming out. It's a cool contrast, but obviously our ZR1 owners would want to add the entire tub to be carbon, so it blends in carbon on carbon. But just to kind of give you the aesthetic pleasing side of it, whether you have the mesh, which you will, you can see the carbon from the outside. We'll get some better lighting and take the car outside tomorrow. Right now it's nighttime. And then when you pop your hood, you get to see the carbon vents on the two sides, plus the tub that's gonna be viewed obviously in dry carbon fiber. So these things are manufactured in a CNC mold. They're not wet infusion where you gotta put the tubes to you know, suck out and infuse the resin. This is pure autoclave, pre-pregnated carbon fiber, and it's sprayed with PPG clear to allow a gloss finish or a dry matte finish. This is what the matte finish looks like. We decided to do the matte for the tubs, not glossy. It can be manufactured in gloss, but I feel like we're gonna make that a special request because the hood is gonna be also glossy. So some people would like to contrast and not blend everything all together. Final stages of delivering the car to the owner tomorrow early morning. I appreciate my guy Mario for wanting me to wake up at 5 in the morning. Thank you for that. But honestly guys, such a great and a blessed, humbling opportunity to have this car here at the Auto Addict headquarters for the value and the price tag and the trust and everything that the client allowed us to do. We're super, super grateful and blessed to have it here. Not just that, all the will call and clients that came in to pick up parts or modify and drop off their cars, they were drooling all over this thing. I think a lot of people's favorites is definitely the color and all the carbon contrast that the client went with. We're not done yet. He will be back again. We already closed on another project that we're gonna be doing, but let's go ahead and take the car, ride it all the way to up north in the valley and deliver the car to Mr. Mario. Time to fill up this bad boy.
So now, which rather would you take, this or a Lambo?
Honestly, I'm gonna go with the ZR1. It feels so much better. You can feel the turbos right when you not even when you step on it, you can just, the power, the handling, the downforce, the aerodynamics that this car comes with. So inspirational, man. We'll wait till the prices go down. Check it out.
Thanks.
I'm gonna get your first reaction right here.
It looks. I'm just glad to have my car back.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, they're even better.
It's everything I've ever wanted and more.
Carbon fiber,
No, dude,
right?
it looks really nice.
Yes.
Gorgeous. What's the weight savings on it?
So I would say about almost 4.5 pounds.
Okay.
This is the heaviest part on the part itself from the factory, which will show you the difference. To blend
Is there a way we can see it with AI as to what the contracts will look like?
easy.
Yeah, so we can just see what it looks like with the contracts.
Yeah, that should be
My initial thought is have it all the same.
Yeah.
Right, but again, we'll see.
Nice.
Even though it's in Lancaster.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got to dodge potholes.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
I got clients coming from Apple Valley right now too.
Oh, really?
So I'm gonna go back while they're meeting me. I guess Fuel Fest is happening in Anaheim right now.
Okay. What kind of car from Apple Valley? Subaru?
No, we have a Mustang 5.0. It's an Action orange one, and an orange SS 1LE Camaro.
Okay.
So I'll send you some photos.
Awesome.
You got us that orange effect coming into
know,
Auto
right?
Addict.
Did you see over at the shop how it shifts colors a little bit?
Yes,
in the light?
100%.
Yeah.
It's got a bright and a deep tone contrast. So especially when the sun hits it, that glare just explodes out there.
I love it. I wore my special, Crocs.
Check them out before Christmas. There you go.
Exactly, right?
There you guys have it. The ZR1's back home to the original owner. We are super blessed and grateful to have this opportunity. We got a 60-mile drive right now, all the way from Magic Mountain to Anaheim. I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys for the support. We can't wait to show you guys there's more mods and molds that we're making for the ZR1, but you gotta subscribe, hit that like button, and give it a thumbs up to see more mods. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.